I bought this business in 2013. Started building cabinets. Our goal was to build our own cabinets. Our vision is toward customer service and quality, build cabinets, and it seems like it's worked out pretty well for us. We work hard to meet our customers' deadlines, provide them a quality product that they can depend on for many years. Probably the first thing that sets us apart is that, we have a personal touch. I will meet with the customer at least 2 times before we ever even land the job. Even after the job is finished, they can call at any time, and we work hard to meet any problems that come up quickly. So customer service is foremost in that. We also bid our boxes, our cabinet boxes, very heavy, and we dado everything together. We use solid wood throughout. Very well built box. It should last as long as your house is around, really. Our concrete countertop line is actually an overlay over a water-resistant MDF. We apply that. It takes about a 3 or 4 day process. We do that in your home most times. It's a very versatile countertop for certain applications, especially in a rustic setting. What sets it apart from other countertops, the cut edge on the front, and also the variety of color that we can do on that top. It's all a seamless top. We pretty much offer any kind of local cut Pennsylvania hardwoods. We see a lot of painted cabinets. Probably 50% of our work is painted now, and we use a maple for that, so it's not a soft wood behind that paint to chip or dent. So that seems to be a major trend today. Also, we do a lot of that type of cabinetry, not so much of a fancy type, although we can certainly do that if we need to.